Sana, this past weekend, love was in the air as so many South African celebrities decided to walk down the aisle and get married to the ones that makes their heart beat faster. Ladies and gentlemen, after we had a very rough week at that, where it's been drama after drama, negativity after negativity within the media industry of South Africa. But finally, we can say that there is still hope in the midst of everything that has been happening. Sanbonani Dumelang. Welcome to another beautiful segment of Celebrity Life from Mzansi. If it is your first time, you know what to do. You hit the subscription button and the notification bell for the next celebrity influencer date. And of course, you can engage with us via the comment section. Lastly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Right, without any waste of time. Now, who made it? Who walked down the aisle and said, yes, I do, I do, I do. Right, we are going to start off with Mpho Popps. Mpho Popps Modikwane, guys, tied the knot to Latoya May in a traditional Xhosa wedding. And we saw the likes of Unomzamo Mbatha, right, and many more other industry colleagues or peers of Mpho Popps. Sana unomzamo Mbatha wayephethe iskhiya, you know those rooms during ceremonies, right? Those rooms that will be having almost everything, and that room there's going to be a specific person who holds the key. At some point, I think I saw Unomzamo Mbatha carrying the key to that nice room that we all fight for, you know, during ceremonies. Sana, it was beautiful to watch Mpho Popps being supported like that. It was just so beautiful. Right, now moving along, we saw Wiseman Ncube. Oh, ladies, I am so sorry, shame. Yeah. So Wiseman Ncube tied the knot to a beautiful Tsonga queen. Not only is she a Tsonga queen suited, she is a model and costume designer, Unokubonga Ngobeni, right? So they married in a very beautiful traditional ceremony in Vryheid, right? And it was so beautiful. Sana, Wiseman Ncube was like, uh, literally the way he was still the king, you know. He was still Uzwide from Shaka Ilembe, you know. Looking at him, I was like, nah, this guy is still in character. Nah. He looked good. He looked good, and you can see that he's so happy. He's so happy that he made the decision to take this beautiful Tsonga queen at that. Oh my goodness. Umakoti muhle sana uyalalazela. Right. And Urapuleta Sipemo was like, whoa, wait a minute. Mpho Popps and Wiseman, wait for me. I am coming. Rapulena Sipemo, guys, got married in a traditional Tswana wedding. Beautiful blue attires. You know what? You know the vibe. You know the sort of wedding, how it is, right? The beauty, the elegance, the calmness. Like, it was just so beautiful to watch. And he got married to his baby mama, right? And in the wedding, or during the wedding, right, it was attended by, he was surrounded by his industry peers as well. We saw the likes of Abovusi Kunene, you know, Bebapis Lapana Bajaiva. We saw the likes of, who's the best friend man, Kenneth Nkosi, right? So it was nice. They were not sitting down, they were dancing for their friend who finally decided, yay, I am tired of being a bachelor. Yo, it was so beautiful to watch Orapulana Sipemo walk down the aisle and taking it's safe to say the love of his life. Guys, last but not least, Olerato Nxumalo was like, wait a minute, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Wise man, wait a minute. Like, abuti rapulana, ganyane fela. Lerato was like, Pops, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I see you guys, you coming in with your beautiful traditional wedding. And here I am, Nami, I'm about to take, or rather, I am taking my Swedish husband. Ooh, Lerato Sana. So Lerato Ngumalo got married to her Swedish husband in a very small, intimate wedding. Luxury, sweetheart. Luxury, she was surrounded by loved ones. Not fake friends, not fake family, whatever. They had just a small ceremony. Beautiful, beautiful, right? With only close friends and family. That wedding, it is definitely going to last. Sana, Sana, Lerato Ngumalo, congratulations, baby. Congratulations. And congratulations to many more others who got married and to many more others who are thinking of getting married this week or the other week or next month or even next year. It is okay. Oof, Sana, Siabonga. Guys, we needed that. We needed that. We needed the oomph. We needed the motivation, the inspiration. We needed a little bit of positivity. Kaloko minanditi guysini. May God bless all your marriages. Stay blessed. Wena, commenta, like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, Sana, because I'm here to serve you, if you know what I mean.